Good afternoon, good afternoon. It's Kiran Davuluri, not just a name, master to work for passion 24/7, 365 days at your service. Doesn't matter what season it is, doesn't matter how I feel. I am here 24/7, 365 days at your service. I'm speaking to one of our senior members. She's a member, happy member. She's at Avalon Springs. She asked me, I'm from Devon. I said, no, I'm from India, working here for 23 years of unbroken service. So now, I'm showing her the moves. Bolo Chudia, Bolo Kandina, ding, ding. No, already she was there. You see, these are happy members.
Happy members,
Yes, happy members of Dream Vacation
And
Club.
there's other one laughing.
Husband is laughing,
Daddy.
he's not jealous, he's enjoying.
Yes. I'm a member for more than 20 years.
20 years, enjoying,
Oh,
sir.
yes.
More than 20 years.
20 years enjoying and he recommending people to join the club. I promise you.
Hey,
Enjoy Dream Vacation members. Yes.
Enjoy yourself here.
yes, it's lovely.
No boringness. No one is boring.